Hi guys, welcome back to Photoshop tutorial, and in this video you are going to learn Photoshop tools, and under the Photoshop tools there is select section and quick selection tool. So quick selection tools makes a selection based on color and texture similarity when you click or click drag the area you want to select. So let's see what does it mean. So once again, delete the first layer and start all over again. Ctrl C, Ctrl V, Ctrl T, Shift and then drag. Okay, now this time we are going to cover this one, this quick selection tool. As its name suggests, it can be used for quick selection. Okay, so how? You can see based on texture and color. For example, if you want to select this blue one, just I click, then the blue one got selected. Similarly here, Control J. So based on texture it gets selected. Also apart from that, you can see this circle size. You can make it smaller or bigger. For example, you can see it is smaller size, the cursor. So Control D and again select here and Control plus, and then let's make it more smaller so that we can select the string also. Wider it is. Now it's not selecting properly, so it is better if you make it if I select this one, then you can see it is selecting wider area, so this one is not proper. Control Shift Z. So this one looks better, but this one is also wider. So if I make it smaller and then select this one, then it can be done something like this, though it's not also that much good, but to some extent it can be selected. So just drag the mouse and you can select this. Also here, if you can keep dragging, then it can be selected. Okay, now let's change its color. I will show you that in other videos, but for the time being I'd like to show you how to change the color. Now go to image and then adjust and color balance. Control Alt Control Shift B. No, not this one. Color balance, Control B. Okay, this panel opens here. Now you can see the color is changing. Now you can see the color is totally different. Yes, so based on selection you can now Control D. Based on selection, now you can see the color was blue, but now the color is green. So that was the quick selection. You can also adjust from here the selection area as well as the selection this one. So that's it about quick selection. Now in the next video I will show you the magic wand tool, which is very useful. So I will show you that in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.